to you. I'm the fifth member of my team. And first of all, I'm going to debug my of the team members' arguments. The first member says the democracy can give freedom and power, but the freedom and power can be used wrongly because there are so many Indian people in the world, and they can use freedom and power as harmful others, and it can cause so many problems to us country. And the second member says,
Like that. Which one?
and the second member says, most of the second member says they can choose leaders, but the most of the leaders held the elections so lately because sometimes they cannot be choose again, and also the people some leaders can say they can do everything, and but after the power they even don't do single thing, and you have to remember there are not always intelligent people in the world, and the third member says economy the economy, but when we start private own businesses, but you can get example as the rights. In this future generation of government, they ask from farmers to give right to their own government companies, but they didn't. They give them to private companies instead. Because of that, there can be a big economy loss. That means economy loss to the country. And the fourth member says about my third member's opinion. He didn't think worker, and he said about the worker who work to a doctor, and it also can cause a problem like giving cesarean instead of another object, and it can cause like you have to understand it. And the fifth member says fairness and equality. Yes, fairness and equality. But the social system can give more equality and fairness than development. And now I'm trying to talk about my argument. The fairness can be increased due to ruling a socialism country. And most of the people in the world are poor, not rich. And so